Hello viewers, welcome to Katede Education Platform. By name, I am Wakabiwile, a teacher by profession, and I'm here to share with you the analysis of the PLE 2024 English language, and I'll begin by highlighting the challenges that most of the learners faced when they answered the questions that they were tasked to do in this PLE paper. But before that, I would like to break down the composition of this paper. In English, we have section A, subsection 1, and this is the area where they basically task learners to practice grammar, different parts of speech, of grammar. In grammar, we have different parts of speech that are being tested, and most of these areas are tasked to learners to answer them by using the knowledge questionnaires. That is section A, subsection 1, but excluding alphabetical order questionnaires and questions where learners are tasked to rearrange words to form correct sentences. Then we have the questions of application, whereby we ask these learners to apply the knowledge that they learned in the class or during various lessons. And these questions particularly are the questions that are captured in subsection 2 of section A. Those are the questions which teachers now teach learners how to use conjunctions, different language structures. Then also the questions of alphabetical order, they are under the category of application. If a child didn't learn how to use a dictionary to know how words are arranged in alphabetical order, a child may not be able to answer such questions. Also rearranging, we are looking at the application of knowledge. Then when it goes to section B, we have the comprehension. And this is the largest part where countrywide learners are still having challenges to answer these questions. When it comes to section B, our children have those challenges, but here in this session, we shall get to know how can learners go about this section and they are able to score good marks. So with exclusive in section B, we have the jumbled story. That's exclusive. Why? Jumbled story, here a learner is being tested to apply knowledge. A learner must be able to read and match actions, because when it comes to a jumbled story, you realize that someone is telling a story in a short way possible, but there are actions that are rhyming, that are leading you how to say the story. So also here, this question of jumbled, still learners are being tested the application of knowledge that they learned or that they perceived during the lessons. So here are the key areas where every learner must be very careful. Area number 1 is the handwriting. Dear learners and viewers, let us always train our children to have a good handwriting. It is just like if you go to the market and you are to get a cloth, you have to look for the one which you see that is the best. So when a learner has a good handwriting, even the one who has received the work to mark will be intense to mark this work with love, and this person will not waste a lot of time reading whatsoever that has been written, because the work is neatly organized and legibly understood. Punctuation. This point of punctuation is also very key. Here, most of our learners, they have that challenge. They try to take some things to be right. They say, after this mistake, maybe they may not penalize me. In language, punctuation communicates. If you put a full stop on a sentence, that is communication. If you use a question mark, that is communication. An exclamation, mention them. Spellings. Here it is not that most learners don't know spellings, but most of the learners, they prefer alternating spellings of various words. I'll just cite an example. With me, I tell learners, or at times I challenge them to come up with their own way of learning spellings. And also I came to learn from one of the learners, one time when we were handling the vocabulary carpentry. This learner discovered that to go about the challenge of that spelling of that noun, a child would just write the word car, pen, and try. When you join those three words, you realize that you come up with the word carpentry. So learners, as well as parents and every viewer, let us help each other to see that spellings is handled with high consideration. I request everyone viewing this edition to like the video, subscribe on the channel, because we are going to share not only today but throughout up to the time when we shall have our candidates write their final exams of 2025. So stay tuned and always subscribe. Always try to check what has been handled in a session and you have your review. Thank you.